Hello everyone! Today, I'm super excited to show you how to watch YouTube videos in the background while using other apps on your iPhone. So, let's jump right in. First, open your iPhone settings and navigate to General. Scroll down and select Picture-in-Picture. Ensure that the toggle for Picture-in-Picture is enabled. This allows videos to play in a small window while using other apps. Then, for enabling Picture-in-Picture on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Then, go to your YouTube app settings by accessing the main settings menu and selecting YouTube. Navigate to General Settings within the YouTube app. Ensure that the toggle for Picture-in-Picture is enabled specifically for the YouTube app. Now, you can play YouTube videos in the background while browsing other apps on your iPhone. Simply swipe up while watching a video to activate Picture-in-Picture mode. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to enjoy YouTube videos while multitasking on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time.